Hi first graders, welcome to today's math video. Today we're going to work on adding and subtracting. So we're going to use this worksheet, Penguins and Fact Practice. It looks like this. There's a front and a back. And we're going to practice those skills of adding and subtracting. You're also going to work really hard to try your best. We're going to work on being really respectful to the grown-ups who are helping you. They're doing their best as well, so we're going to try and give them a nice squeeze and say thanks for helping me. Everybody's working really hard, and we're going to try our best to have a positive attitude. So think to yourself, I can do this, and we'll get started. Go ahead and grab your paper and a pencil, and let's get going. We'll look at this part up here that says number 1. All of these problems are problems that you'll add together. So those should be really quick. Again, you're welcome to use your fingers or use our counting on strategy where you start with our top number and count on to find your total. And then you'll notice down here, you have 3 add-ins together. So a strategy that we've been looking at recently is using some friendly numbers that go together to make something that's really familiar. So let me give you an example with this one. I would choose putting together 3 and 2 because I know that 3 and 2 make 5. And then I can add 4 by counting on. So I can say 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'll put 9 there. So you can look for some friendly numbers in these combinations. Ooh, this one's even trickier. It has 4 add-ins. Use some friendly numbers to put together a number that is familiar and easy to add so that you can find the total. Next part is number 2. These are all subtraction problems. Again, using your finger is great, or counting backward, counting from the bigger number and counting back this next number to get the end result. So counting 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and writing 4 here. It's a great strategy, or using those combinations that you know already could be a help. And then down here, we just have some subtraction problems that are just looking a little bit different. So instead of going vertically like this, top to bottom, they're going left to right. So 10 minus 4. You might even see some matching problems up here that might help you with these ones. Let's take a look at number 3. There were 5 penguins behind the hill, 4 penguins on the ice, and 10 penguins in the water. How many penguins in all? My suggestion here, since we're working on adding and subtracting, is to draw yourself a picture. Draw the 5 penguins that were behind the hill, draw the 4 penguins on the ice, and draw the 10 penguins in the water. And then you can count all of the penguins together to show how many in all. Drawing a picture is always a great strategy to understand what's happening in a story problem. On the back, we have a bit of a challenge problem. So if you're feeling good so far and you want to give it a try, that's great. Let's do it. If you're feeling like you're ready to be done with math today, that's fine too. So you decide with your grown-ups whether you want to do this math problem. So it says, see how many penguins are standing on the ice? Half as many are swimming in the water. How many are swimming? How many penguins in all? Goodness. So we have a beautiful picture here of all of these penguins on the ice. And then we need to think about how many are swimming in the water. And we know that half of the penguins that are standing on the ice are swimming in the water. So we can look at these families of penguins to help us find the answer. So each penguin family kind of goes together. So you can think of the 3 penguins here as a family. And I can kind of make some matches to see there's a penguin family and there's another penguin family. So the same number of penguins are over here as there are over here. And then I can look at these penguin families. I'm drawing a box around them because they're also the same. It's the same number of penguins in this family as there are in this family. And so I could think about the same number of penguins in half, so 1 out of 2 families are down here in the water, and the same number of penguins are in half, 1 out of 2 families. So I might draw tallies to show how many penguins. Remember, there's 3 penguins in a family. And so now I can check to see how many penguins are swimming. Here's my penguins that are in the water. And then I need to count all of the penguins to find out how many in all. Thanks so much for trying your best and working hard today, friends, on adding and subtracting. You did a great job. You're going to send a picture of the front and the back of your worksheet to your teacher so that they can see your hard work. And come back again next time to do more math with me. Bye!